POWIS printer offers a smooth, seamless way of titling and binding your documents. With 16 colors of binder strip, you can easily create document titles any way you want them. Now that you know how to bind and edit, let's bind a book with a custom title. The POWIS printer works in one of three ways: as a standalone device, docked, or connected to your computer. We will show you how to print by docking the fastback with the printer. To dock, bring the printer up to the binder, then push it forward so the lip of the printer touches the purple binder strip guide. Flip down the strip aligner, making sure nothing blocks the guide or the printer's eject chute. Assemble your document with front and back covers. Make sure all the pages are aligned by jogging them on top of the binder. Then place your document in the fastback, sliding it all the way to the right. Tap the pages again to make sure they're straight, then clamp in your book. The process of clamping your book in the fastback tells the printer how thick your book is and what size binder strip to use. This only works when the machines are docked. Now let's go to the keyboard and design the look of your title. Think of your book spine as being divided into three separate sections: the top, middle, and bottom. Through the POWIS printer keyboard or software, you can make distinct designs for each section. For this demonstration, we will select the middle section. To choose the orientation of the letters, landscape, stacked, or portrait, simply press one of the orientation buttons. Our choice will be landscape. Press Menu and select Option 1 to choose your font size and style. Simply type your title, press the Print and Bind button, and you're ready to insert the binder strip. Feed it glue side up into the printer's purple feed chute. Your strip is then printed and immediately sent to the fastback for binding. When your book is ready, place it in the cooling rack for 3 to 5 minutes. Leaving it in the cooling rack ensures the strongest bind possible. If you need to print the same title repeatedly, or print and bind several copies of the same book, use the Repeat button. Design your title, then put the first book in the fastback and press the Bind button to clamp it. Go to the keyboard and hit the Print and Bind button, and then press Repeat. Enter the number of strips you want to print. Press Enter, and insert the first binder strip. After the first cycle of printing and binding, you will be prompted to insert another strip. While the next strip is printing, remove the bound book from the binder and place it in the cooling rack. Then place the next book in the binder and repeat the cycle until the job is done. If your printer runs out of foil, or you simply want to use a different color, change the foil cartridge. Crouch down in front of the POWIS printer and open the front door. Grasp the cartridge at the top and bottom and pull it straight out of the machine. Get a new cartridge and remove the orange shipping tab. Then, make sure the foil is tight by turning the purple wheel clockwise. Take the cartridge and fit it carefully over the print head. Listen for a click that tells you it's in place, and close the front door. You're once again ready to print.